Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is a curriculum. The main aim of education in Pakistan at primary and secondary level is attainment of students' abilities, capacities, potentialities, capabilities. The correct answer is abilities. Subject-centered design revolve around learner, special problems, content, special values. The correct answer is content. Sociological foundations are concerned with idea, history, society, economy. The correct answer is society. Psychological foundations of curriculum help curriculum developers to understand the nature of teacher, content, learner, ideas. The correct answer is learner. Students' needs and interests are important in historical foundation, sociological foundation, psychological foundation, economical foundation. The correct answer is psychological foundation. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with ideas, history, economy, contents. The correct answer is ideas. The forces that affect the development of curriculum are called foundation of curriculum, curriculum design, curriculum evaluation, elements of curriculum. The correct answer is foundations of curriculum. When, what, why, how to teach is the main task of educational philosophy, educational psychology, economics, history. The correct answer is educational psychology. The method used to evaluate the curriculum is formative evaluation, summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation. The correct answer is A, B, C, all of these. The model of behavioral objectives of curriculum evaluation was presented by Taylor, Shuffle, Main, Helda Taba, John Davy. The correct answer is Taylor.